Tutorial 17, mirror entities. The next after the offset entities, we have the mirror entities. This is also a time-saving tool which is eliminating the time for creating a new sketching by using some type of mirror, as well as the convert and offset. All these are sketch manipulation tools. They are time saving and so on. For example, if we want to make the same sketch like this one to be on the opposite side, so that need some time to be created, but you can do it by mirroring this sketch on a mirroring line. So let's try to make a line here to be parallel to this edge. Escape. So this line can be a mirror line, so we can convert it into construction as well. Now we have a mirror axis, and let's activate the mirror, and here entities to mirror, you can select which part you want to mirror. So I want to mirror so let's make sure that we are in, and here you are selecting the edge you want to mirror, and here you have the mirror about, which will be the mirror line. So you notice that we made the same sketch mirrored on that line. Okay. The same way we can mirror the whole sketch. Just activate mirror entities and select the whole sketch by selecting box. Mirror about. So when you are done, okay. So we made a mirror copy from that sketch. So let's try to make another line to make it inclined, that like this. Let's convert it into construction. Also, we are able to mirror this sketching on that line. So let's make mirror, select this, and uncheck copy that line. Okay, so you see, when we didn't check the copy, we are having only one side to be used. So let's do it again. Mirror entities, select, make sure that you are not selecting the mirroring line, mirror about, and let's check copy here. So we'll have two copies, the original and the mirror.